The Dodge Charger Scat Pack in its final iteration put out 485 horsepower. Now, there's something that makes me love these big, full-size rear-wheel drive sedans, just like a Chevrolet SS. It's awesome because it does everything. You get a V8 that sounds good. You got a lot of horsepower. Yes, these cars weighed a lot. Curb weight was about 4,400 pounds, slightly under, but it got the job done. Especially if you got the wide body Scat Pack Dodge Charger. These things looked amazing. And I hope Dodge keeps going with that. And I heard they might be bringing back that Hemi, which makes me excited.